God know guys and goddesses, kings and queens. God knows God and youth and offspring, family, allies, and enemies was had some dope, right? So y'all know I'm here doing some remodeling. I'm gonna take y'all a look when I start pulling out the windows. Might do it next week, and y'all pretty much know this is where my bathroom ended up at. I don't know if I put a video up. I probably just put it on my Instagram. So this is my bathroom after those other videos that y'all seen of me remodeling it. So this is where I'm at so far, and I just bought this light switch. I bought a single light switch. I'm ended up putting a double because I ran some wire while I had the wall open up there just in case I wanted to do something like put an exhaust fan. And more than likely, I'm gonna need to put an exhaust fan so I can remove some of that moisture and put an exhaust fan up there. It might be an exhaust fan / light, so that might end up a double switch. I mean a triple switch. Because I end up putting a smaller window. I'm going to go in and I'm going to end up painting this. I'm going to paint this wall the same color I painted the room. I just painted the room. I'm going to end up, I was going to change the baseboards, but I'm going to paint the baseboards. And then I also seen somebody had put some crown molding around the top, and it was beautiful. So I want to do crown molding in that room in there, that other bathroom. So, but right now what I'm doing is I'm about to put in a door. I just want to let y'all know how easy it is to put in the door. It's the old door. Snatch the old door out. You see my baby boy's got stickers and fingerprints and everything else on it. All right, so this is the new door. The new door coming in 2 pieces. They have one piece here, and then you pull the other piece off. This is the other piece right here. Now, that piece is sandwiches on into the door itself. So when that door slides in, that piece sandwich in right here, and it locks to this. So, but you want to make sure that you got all these nails out from the old door. And actually, I got to go back to Home Depot to get some nails. So what happened with let me tell you the story of this. This is the home. Anybody go to Home Depot, be like, man, I understand you, brother. So I go get a door. The door had a crack in the frame. Now, it was a small crack. I could have let it go, but I'm like, no, forget it. I don't want that crack in it. I'll take it back. Get another door. Now, the first door slid right in the spot where it needed to be in my truck. The second door didn't. I'm like, damn, why this door? But I didn't think it was much bigger. 32. All right. So, come to find out, I got here. I take it apart. I'm ready to go. I'm trying to put it in. The door wouldn't fit. I'm like, damn, it's too big. I'm damn near ready to snatch this out and move it back. But the reason why I didn't, because I would have did it so I could have the big door. I would rather have a bigger door here because I don't have much room right here. If I'd have had more room, I would have snatched this 2x4 out, and then I would have brung that 2x4 farther back. Then I could have did it on this side, but if you notice, I don't have much room on that side, so that's why I didn't do it. So I had to take the door back. I took the door back, and then my receipt didn't match the door. I was like, well, I brung the door back. Come to find out, I had a left-hand door, which a left-hand door would have mean that my door would have opened. If I'm coming in to the room, it would have opened this way instead of opening that way. And if you notice the room, I need it to open towards the wall. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm about to put this door. All right. So another thing I'm doing is it's sitting higher on this side and lower on that side. So when this door was in, the main reason why I'm getting it, and if I would have been paying attention to it before, I wouldn't have messed this door up in order to get this one done. But anyway, I broke that door out, and I ended up cutting that door because of how it was slanted. But the people that put the door in didn't know what they was doing because there's a slant, but it's higher on this side in my floor. My floor is level. But I'm going to end up laying down all boards. I'm going to show y'all that when I get to that. Anyway, but right here, where's my level? So when you're doing your doors, this matters a lot, all right? So we look at this right here. If you look at this, see how much that lifts up off the floor? So that matters right there. And I got the same thing right here. So this side of the door, it falls in, but when it fell, that's what it did. It ended up having the door lopsided. So what I'm going to do in order to fix that, I'm just going to cut some of this off here, and then that way, so this side could drop in, and then right here at the top, I close some of this gap, because it was like this, and I don't want that. I want this. You feel me? So in order for me to get that, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and chip some of that off, and that's all I'm about to do with this nice, good Ridgid right here. And I would try to do it with y'all on camera, but I'm not that damn good at one hand cutting with a skill saw, and plus that's dangerous, and I like to be safe. So yeah, we're going ahead and cut. I just want to bring y'all in on some of this remodeling going on, and let me go ahead and work, and I'm gonna keep y'all posted and posted. But yeah, they kind of blocked me from making videos on IG, but it's all good. Come back to YouTube, and we're gonna stay safe. Whatever your endeavors y'all got going, I hope y'all successful at it. You know what I mean? Despite what you like in life, just be successful at your endeavor as long as it's not hurting or harming other people. But we're gonna stay safe and keep building. All right, power to the people.